Okay, yeah, my name is Walt Perko, and I hand code my web page. I write the code for all the robots, all the lessons for the robots, and mainly I'm looking for some partners to help me take everything that I've done so far and turn it into a business. The business is a circuit board, and you can see it's changing chips because you can put almost 1,000 different computer chips on this one circuit board I designed. So you use a teacher or a student or a hobbyist can use any chip they want pretty much to build little animatronic projects, robots, whatever they want to build using the RoboGuts circuit board. And you can see I got kits and stuff on my website for sale, but I need partners, and partners that can help build more lessons like this. Oops, oh well. The top image was a schematic diagram, bottom image was showing you where to put the jumper wires on the board to make a circuit to do the lesson, and then there's the code for that lesson, so you can copy paste the code in to do it. So I need people to help me get through this, and there's 3D printable parts on the internet for free. Everything's on the internet for free except for the hardware. And you build lots of little fun robots, and you can modify them for all kinds of things. And this little guy is BillyBot, and he's going to sing you a song.
Hello, my name is BillyBot. The song I am going to sing is Santa's Workshop. Elden Santa's Workshop making toys for everyone. Late work so hard, late work together. Having so much fun. Cut in list and drill in black and carving in sanding and late work so hard in Santa's Workshop. Having so much fun. Suddenly a tear will break. Someone has made a big mistake. But in the repairs on their miracle, someone said, hey, we are running late, they start the motors and the grinding. Moving parts are away around late and such tons and does workshop. Singing little songs late and such tons and does workshop. Singing this dear song.
All right, so you guys are the first ones to ever hear that song. It's a Christmas song I wrote back in the late 80s. But like I say, I'm looking for either investors or partners to turn it into a business so that it becomes something other than just a crazy hobby by an old man trying to keep busy while he's retired. I got 30 seconds to go, but...